how to multiply the two number and show the result. How to multiply the two number and show the result. For this, the algorithm is what? Now start the algorithm and end the algorithm. हमें तो algorithm start करियो. The first step होची start the algorithm, then end the algorithm, then accept first number, accept second number, multiply the two number, display the result, end of algorithm. That is the normal step. First we write start the algorithm, accept the first number, accept the second number, multiply the two number, display the result, end of algorithm. It is a step. Now again we convert this algorithm in a technical part. In a technical part, how it is displayed? Now start the algorithm. Let A, B and product be the three number. We give a name here. Okay, so एठी हमें name नहीं ने, एठी हमें तीनटा name नेले. Name means it is a location where you store the value. When you are living in your home is having an address like house number, building number, yeah, plot number. Okay, and then the proper address you have, like if you have any kind of name to your house like Shanti Bhavan. Okay, so in that way we give a identification number. The similar way for storing the value, we define a location. So here we define the three locations. A, B is one location, product is the another location. So three locations we have defined. So accept the value of A, accept the value of B. So two value we are accepted. Product equals to A into B. So we multiply the number A into B, display the product and end of algorithm. So it is the basic step for creating algorithm. Okay. Now, in this part, if you notice here, A, B, product are the variable. A, B and product is called the variable. Variable means what? Variable is a memory location where we store the value. Variable is a memory location where you store the value. Okay, have you ever going to cinema hall? Cinema hall jaicho? Shivasri, Shivlakshmi?
No, sir.
Jaina. Boss re boscho? Boss?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The boss re bosya pe hame kon koche na, we have to go for a ticket. Okay, for long distance, we have a ticket and in the ticket, the seat number has given. Okay, so that means what? That particular seat belongs to me. And ମୁଁ ସେଇ seat ରେ ବସିବି. Then ମୁଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୋ destination ରେ reach କରି ଯାଉଛି କିମ୍ବା ମୁଁ ଯୋଉ ଜାଗାରେ ଓହ୍ଲେଇବା କଥା ଓହ୍ଲେଇ ଯାଉଛି, then that seat is allocated to the other person. Okay, that means that seat is not fixed to me. In your home, your study room, your study table, your chair is fixed to you. It belongs to you. It is fixed to you. But you can say like the bus seat, cinema hall seats is not fixed to you. It is always changes. When your cinema time is over, then the seat is allocated to the other person. How gote look basibo. Suppose mu 3 ru 5 gote movie dekeli. So my movie is over. So I reach to my home and that seat is allocated to the other person. How gote look jainki se seat pe basibo. So variable, you can say it is a memory location where you store the value. If why I use the variable for storing the value? Okay, suppose I ask for a note. So you search your note from your study room. So suppose Suvasri or Suvlakshmi, you have to give me your mathematics note. So you search your mathematics note in your study room or in your study table, okay, or in your bag. You are not searching that notes in the kitchen room, okay, in the bathroom, because it is not a location to store your books. If anybody is asking for salt, if anybody is asking for potatoes, your neighbor, then you are going to the kitchen only, because that item is a cooking item and it belongs to the cooking room. The similar way, the benefit of using the variable is what? Now it create a location. In that location, you have to store a value, and you are going and keep the value from there. You have a pencil box. Suppose anybody is asking for pencil, you open your pencil box. Pen, then you open that pencil box, because you put all the related pen, pencil, rubber in that pencil box, so easily you can get over there. So you define a location so that you get the value from there. The variable is just like that. It is a location where you have to store a value. So in the statement, like we define a product equals to A into B. So A and B product is called as the variable, or it is a location where we store the value. A into B, A and B is called as the variable. Here multiplication is called as the operator. It assigns the result of multiplication of value A and B to product. Now, Gibson heading, what is variable? No, write it, variable. Variable is a memory location where we store the value and the value will changes and the value will changes throughout the program execution. Okay, so in this statement, your A and B is called as the variable. A, B and product is called as the variable. Okay, A or B or product को हमें variable कहवा, and that value is changes. Our value टा सबोले changes होगा. Suppose if I am asking Subhasri is giving the value 10 and 20. If I give that you have to, Subhalakshmi, you have to enter some value, Subhalakshmi will enter some other value, maybe it is 30 and 40. So variable is a location where we store the value, and that value is changes throughout the program execution. Next, here it is a simple algorithm to increment the value with 1. We have to find out the next value. I mean, next value को find out करेगा. So how you find out the next value? So for find out the next value, first of all, you have to accept one value. So start the algorithm. Let n be the number. N be any number. Then for getting the next number, n is equals to n plus 1. So we are the number. N is equals to n plus 1. To get another number, to get the next number, what is the formula? You have to add a number. I mean, next number पाया पहले existing number है 1 add करेगा. So n is equals to n plus 1. Then the resultant information is stored in n. So after it's stored in the n, then it displays the n value, then end of algorithm. When the preceding algorithm, n is a variable. N is called the variable. Variable means the value is changes. Before writing the program, n value is suppose 5. Then after writing this algorithm, n value is increment n plus 1. Now it becomes to 6, because the value is changes throughout the program. Okay. Next comes to another part that is called as the flow chart. Flow chart means it represents the logic in the form of symbol. So you have to represent the logic in the form of a symbol. Now, we are not knowing when the, like in the previous year, everybody is talking about coronavirus, coronavirus, coronavirus. So everybody is talking about that. We don't know how it looks like. Then some of the timing, after the time has passed, so that figure is coming. Okay, like it is having a ball like structure, it is having a spike, and we coming to know that the spike is very dangerous. Okay, before that we don't know. Virus means we know that is corona, but we don't know how it appears. If you tell any name, any person name, then is suppose I ask for any person that present in the what USA. Okay, like the finance minister of USA, the name is like this, but we know the name, but we are not know the person because of we're not seen that person picture. The picture means it is giving you what, a descriptive idea. When you're talking about, like when you talk with the kid, better tell me apple, tell the spelling of apple. So when you are a kid, your parents will tell you that spell this word. Okay, so I spell bhi kar do, apple apple, but when not know what is apple, but if you give to the kid, is see that it is apple, then the picture is coming to the mind. Apple is look like that. Picture is what it meet our imagination. What you imagine, that imagination becomes true when you see the thing in actual. So that is called as what, symbols or flowchart. So flowchart is a graphical representation of the algorithm. It is a graphical representation of the algorithm. It consists of set of symbol where each symbol represents specific kind of activity. In a flowchart, to give a logic, every logic is having a different meaning. When you are moving in a traffic, the traffic it having what, signals, left turn, right turn, okay, working area. So every figure is different. When there is a school area, you can you have to watch it. Some one figure is there with the bag, and they're walking. So that means when the driver is driving in that place, the driver is cautious, as because it is a school area. Maybe small kids are there. They are not aware of that to cross the road. So that driver being cautious. Yes, there is something is there. Like there is a symbol, men's are working. Then driver is coming to know that there is a some kind of what danger is there. Some kind of road is road working on progress. So driver also become cautious on that. Okay. In place of picture, if you write anything, work in progress, then it is very difficult to read. हमें जितना गाड़ी है और vehicle ले जितना moving करथुआ बहुत fast है 80 kilometers hour 100 kilometer hours, then आम आगे जब किसी लेखा रही थी वो, it is very difficult to read. But if the picture is there, then from the picture we coming to know there is some kind of danger is there. So we have to what, cautious on that. But if you write there anything, for reading it you may fix an accident. माने पिक्चर जदि किछि लेखा हितो लेखा पढला बेले हमें रास्ता जाउथे बेले आ गोटे संगे गाड़ीटा हमरा धक्का हेछि. But if it is present in a picturization, then it is giving you clear idea what to do. Flowchart is just like that. Anything that is written, but anything it is represent diagrammatically view is giving you better idea. Okay, like when a building is built up, ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗୋଟେ ବଡ ବଡ building ସବୁ ହୁଏ, bridge ହୁଏ, like in previous year you may know that Ram Mandir maybe what so proposed to build up over there. Okay, so before that lot of mandir design has come in the social media network. The mandir is look like this, the mandir is this one. So people are just like Just a minute. Okay, the mandir is look like this, so that means it is giving you a real imagination picture. Is when Ram Mandir is built up, it looks like this. Okay, the similar way, graphic designing or any kind of picture, it make you analyze the thing properly. A flowchart also accepting the instruction and data as input. Okay, in the flowchart, you have to take a instruction and process the instruction and data and displaying the result. The flowchart also follow the IPO cycle. Okay, like that, your other programming language, like your algorithm, flowchart also follow the IPO cycle. The processing would involve the computation and the decision that are being taken. Next, we're using what are the advantages of the flowchart. Flowchart help in analyzing the problem effectively. Flowchart act as a guide during program development phase. If anything is written picturization, suppose if you want to get the one doctor address, so I mean, we live in Cuttack. Okay, suppose we want to move to any hospital, and that hospital is present inner part of our city, पूरा गली रे हमर अछि. ओके, तो कटक रे बहुत छोट छोट गली अछि, जीवा पई मुश्किल हेते. से कोन करथिबो ना ओडे आरो मार्क दैतो. Take this left turn, hospital, then you move to the left. Then again another row is coming. Take this way to this hospital. So in the arrow mark, if you are moving, then ultimately without knowing the hospital where it is present, we reach the destination. And I mean hospital address जानिबा दरकार नै, गली पाखरे पहुंचले बस से arrow mark देखि we reach to that particular location. So normally we are using the arrow mark to get the location in every places. Okay, so a lot of places we get this thing. Okay, that means what happened here, it is not written. Jadi arrow mark jagare lekha hitanda take left turn, you found there is a banyan tree is there, you stand over there, then you watch another electric pole is there. If all the thing has written, then it is very difficult to learn. And a lot of people are present, they are not able to learn in English. Okay, so गरीब लोक माने जो माने स्कूल जाई ना से माने इंग्लिश पढ़ी परिबे, and they know Odia. Okay, if you write the thing in Odia and English, some of the people are coming from Bihar and they are in a worker category. They are not even to learn English and Hindi, English and Odia. Then how they reach to the person, reach to a particular place? Only the arrow mark. So if they follow this arrow mark, yes, I reach to the hospital. Okay, if they are asking to us, where is the hospital? We tell that just follow the arrow mark, you reach the person. So that is the advantages of the flowchart. You can effectively analyze all the things. It acts as a guide during program development phase. Okay, so next is disadvantages is what? Okay, can you tell me what is the disadvantages when you drawing? ना मैं drawing कले कौन problem हुए? Subhalakshmi, Subhasri, what is the problem you are facing while you are drawing? मतलब draw करियो कौन problem face करे?
सर हमको जदि ड्राइंग माने आम जदि आउटलाइन करथबु सेतळे आम जदि भूल भाल कर दबु तो पूरा ड्राइंग खराब होइथिबो.
Okay, basically what happened when I made draw kariba kichi jinsa. Okay, our picture, suppose we are drawing the lotus flower. Okay, we draw the a house. Okay, ଆମର ଯଦି ପିକ୍ଚରାଇଜେସନ ଟା ପ୍ରପର न ହବ ଆମକୁ ପୁଣି ଲିଭେଇବାକୁ ପଡେ ଆଉ ଲିଭେଇଲେ ସେ ଗୋଟେ ଦାଗ ହେଇଯିବ. Okay, and things are written house. What is the time it will take? HOUSE house complete. But if you want to represent house in a diagram, then it will take the time. House with what, a street light. How many lines? How many words it will take? It is a 3 to 4 line. This 3 to 4 words. It is over. Okay, মানে তিনটা ରୁ চারটা ওয়ার্ড ভিতরে আমি হাউস উইথ স্ট্রিট লাইট we are given. But if that thing we represent in the form of a picture, then to draw the picture is very time consuming process. And if you do any kind of changes in a single step in the flow chart, the entire flow chart you have to redraw again. That is the disadvantages. आमे जेतेबेले कोनोसे सेंटेंस लिखुचे किछि वर्ड जदि मिस्टेक हे गेला तो वी गिव ए वन स्ट्रेट लाइन एंड वी राइट ओवर देयर. ओके, ता ऊपर हमें लिखि दउचे गोटे स्ट्रेट लाइन पके. बट इफ योर डायग्राम इज इनकरेक्ट, then you cannot what gives on a strike, then in upper part you have to draw it. You have to completely remove it with the eraser, then you have to again draw it. So that is the disadvantages of the flowchart. Pseudocode is what? Pseudo means what? Next comes to the another tool. Okay, like to open any switch, to open our laptop, to open the mobile phone, we require a screwdriver. The pseudocode is a screwdriver. Pseudocode, here we use a screwdriver. Okay, like it is a detailed, yet readable description of what an algorithm must do. It is expressed in a formally styled natural language rather than in a programming language. It is used as initial step in the process of developing a program. It is a detailed yet readable description of what an algorithm must do. It is expressed in formally styled natural language rather than in a programming language. It is a simple English word you write. It is work as a initial step in the process of developing a program. Okay, so advantages is what? It requires no what rewriting. If any rewriting is there, you just cut it and write it above. But there is some kind of limitation is what? Now it is used in a pre-programming. It is not used in a programming language. It is used as a pre-programming. Okay, it is used as a initial step in the process of developing a program. Okay, so next is, you tell me, there is a question for you. Which one of the following tools is used to show the graphical representation of sequence of step required to solve a problem? Subhalakshmi?
Yes, sir.
Answer kono haba, which one of the following tools, ko tools ame graphically represent kariba? The flowchart na pseudocode na algorithm? Subhasri?
Sir, pseudocode.
Pseudocode is what? Where we discuss about graphs. where we discuss about the picture. এই তিনটা টুলস রে আমি কোডি ডিসকাস করলে about picture. Flow chart re. In flow chart we discuss about
yes
the
sir,
picture, the
flow
diagram.
chart.
This is a flow chart. Okay, pseudocode is a what simple English word that we are using. Okay. Okay, so it is a question for you. Okay, write the question. Write an algorithm. এটা করে কি মতে WhatsApp রে সেন্ড করিব. Write an algorithm to find out whether a number entered by a user is divisible by 5 or not. The next question. Write an algorithm to display the first 10 multiples of 9. Write an algorithm to display first 10 multiples of 9. Next is write an algorithm to find whether a number entered by a user is even or odd. Even or odd means the number is divisible by 2. जो number 2 रे divisible हबो सेटा होची even number. Next is when an algorithm write an algorithm to accept two number. Write an algorithm to accept two number from a user. And subtract the first number from second number. And display the result. Okay. Next, so computer perform various tasks by following a step-by-step process. To perform these tasks, instruction needs to be provided to a computer in the form of a program. As we already know that computer doesn't understand any kind of language, computer only understand the 0 and 1 format. So to give the instruction to the computer into 0 and 1 format is very difficult task. So that we take the help of programming language. So for a NAIP programmer, writing such a program in any programming language is a complex task. So therefore, it is better to break the entire problem into a set of steps and to represent the same using diagram. So in the diagram, you have to represent it. The flowchart can be used to represent the programming logic in a graphical form. So by using a flowchart, we represent the logic in a simple graphical form. So as some part of our flowchart we cover, it is used to represent the logic in a graphical form. It helps in depicting the logic in a step-by-step process. So in the step-by-step process, you have to represent a logic. It helps you evaluate the correctness of the logic and step involved in a process. Okay, so in the flowchart, it contains some kind of symbol. In every symbol, you have to represent a logic. माने बहुत प्रकार symbol हमें flowchart रे use करिवा. How every symbol, जो symbol सब हमें use करिवा, every symbol is used for unique purpose. Means different purpose पाए, our particular work पाए इटा use करें. To draw the flowchart, a set of symbol is used. In addition, you need to follow some kind of standardizing rule while creating flowchart. So while creating a flowchart, we have to follow some kind of rules. So what is the rules? A flowchart created by using setup symbol. So when you want to create flowchart, you have to use proper symbol. In flowchart, the flow process is indicated the arrow connecting the symbol. So how you come to know that how the flowchart is flowing, how the flowchart is working? By using arrow mark. In which direction it gives a arrow mark, we have to follow that arrow mark. Each symbol represent an activity to be performed to derive the solution of a given task. In a flowchart, it is called as the input box, process box, output box. Okay, for taking a input, this symbol is used. Okay, so you have to remember it. This symbol is used for input. So what are the input you are given? हमें जो input दबा ताको processing करिया पे rectangle box use हो. And for output, this box is used. This one is for output. Sometimes you have to process your statement based upon the condition. So that we are using decision making statement here. Okay. So I just cover this 4 symbol. So in next class, I will cover the other symbols. Okay. I will share this note. So next class रे एटा मु पढ़ेबी but before that जो algorithm नो जो problems गुड़ा को सब देइछि सब करी के मते WhatsApp रे पठेबो हला that is your home task. Okay. So today you have to give. Okay. ठीक है चलो. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.